Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be guiding you through the process of how you can sign in into the online banking account of Harris Bank. Now let me show you the process of how you can do it. So first of all, open any browser on your PC and on the search bar you need to type in bmoharris.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the Harris Bank. Once you're at the web page, you will see the option of secure login over here, and just below you can see a two empty text box. There you need to type in your user ID and your password and then click on login. Once you click on login, you will be logged in into your online banking account of Harris Bank. But just in case if you forgot your password or your user ID, you can recover them by clicking on this provided link below. If you click on forgot your password, it will redirect you to the process for recovering your password of the account. For that, you need to provide your user ID and type in the social security number and click on continue. Then you will be moved forward for the further instruction to recover your account password. It's the similar process for the user ID as well. For that, you need to click on forgot your user ID link. That will redirect you to this page for the recovery process. Here you type in your email address and below you type in your social security number and click on continue. This way you will be able to recover your user ID of the bank account. This is how you can easily log in into your account by providing user ID and password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.